In this video, we are going to see some of the neat questions asked in previous years. Match the interhalogen compound of column 1 with the geometry in column 2. Here what is the question given is, here the first column, the type of interhalogen compound given, the second one, the shape in the column 2, the shape of the molecule is given. We have to correctly match the type of the interhalogen compound with correct shape of the molecule given. Here the matching code is given. Here in this we have to select the correct matching code. What are interhalogen compounds are? The different halogens react themselves and forming interhalogen compounds like that. Depending upon the combination of the halogens, there are different type of interhalogens. So for example, X dash, here the examples are ClF, BrF, IF, iodofluoride, bromofluoride. Here the X dash of this type, it is actually linear molecule. They are all linear molecule. So X dash type match with linear. And X dash 3, here the examples are IF3 and ICl3. They are of bent T-shaped structure. So X-3 match with bent T-shaped. Next type is X-5, the square pyramidal. They are of the examples of the type ClF and IF. The next one is X-7. The example is IF7. The shape automatically it is pentagonal bipyramidal structure. So XX dash linear shape, XX3 dash bent T-shaped, and XX dash 5 square pyramidal, and XX dash 7 pentagonal bipyramidal. According to the explanation given, here XX dash is linear in shape. So first one is 3, third one. And X3 is T-shaped. So second one is 1. So according to the choice code given, the answer is B. B is the correct choice, matches column 1 with the type of interhalogen compounds with the shape of interhalogen compounds. Next question is the correct geometry and hybridization for XeF4 xenon tetrafluoride are what? What is the geometry and hybridization? So there are 4 options given with the different geometry and hybridization. We have to find the correct one. So this one is shape of xenon tetrafluoride. 4 bonded pair of electron, 2 lone pair of electron. According to VSEPR theory, the electron pair arrangement gives the geometry of the molecule, and the shape of the molecule is determined by arrangement of atom around the central atom. So according to the structure, the geometry is octahedral. And the hybridization is sp3d2 hybridization. So geometry is octahedral, hybridization is sp3d2. So according to the explanation, the geometry and hybridization of xenon tetrafluoride is octahedral and sp3d2. So the answer is A. A is the answer. Among the following, the correct order of acidity is what? Here HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4 is given. We have to find out for this acid, we have to find out the correct order of acidity. Here the different acids given are HClO, HClO2, HClO3, HClO4. Actually, we have to find out the oxidation state, because as the oxidation state increases, acidity increases. So now we are going to find out the oxidation state of chlorine in 4 different acids. Then we are going to find out or write the order of acidity. The first one, HClO, generally hydrogen plus 1 oxidation state, oxygen minus 2. So sum must be equal to 0. So oxygen minus 2, hydrogen plus 1, automatically here the chlorine is plus 1. Oxidation state of chlorine here is plus 1. HClO2, oxygen it is minus 2, 2 oxygen, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, hydrogen plus 1. So oxygen minus 4, hydrogen plus 1, so automatically here the chlorine is plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 and minus 4, the sum is equal to 0. HClO3, here the oxygen, oxidation state minus 2, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Here hydrogen plus 1 and minus 6 plus 1, the oxidation state of chlorine will be plus 5 here. Plus 5 plus 1 plus 6 equal to minus 6. Here chlorine it is, oxidation state is plus 5. Here HCl4, here oxygen, 4 oxygen into minus 2 minus 8 oxidation state, hydrogen plus 1. So automatically chlorine will be plus 7 plus 1 plus 8, and here it is minus 8. So different oxidation state of HClO plus 1, HClO2 plus 3, HClO3 plus 5 and HClO4 plus 7. So here the oxidation state increases, acidity also increases. Oxidation state increases, acidity also increases. So which one will be more acidic means the HClO4 is more acidic than HClO3, then HClO2, then HClO. So this is the correct order of acidity. So among the following, the correct order of acidity is oxidation state increases, acidity increases. Thereby HClO4 is more acidic than HClO3, then HClO2, then HClO. A is the correct answer. Next question is, boric acid is an acid because of its molecule. Boric acid is an acid because its molecule, the choice given, contains replaceable H plus ion, gives a proton, accepts OH minus from water, releasing proton, combines with proton from water molecule. So these are all the choice given. The choices are almost equal, meaning gives the acidity of boric acid, but we have to find out correctly which one will suit. The boric acid of the formula H3BO3, boric acid of the formula H3BO3, H3BO3 when reacts with water, here H3BO3 reacts as acid, acts as acid, H2 acts as a base, and it forms a conjugate base like that, BOH4 times minus plus H plus, here the conjugate base and conjugate acid. Here the statement, correct statement is boric acid accepts OH minus from water molecule. The H2O donates OH minus, thereby it is called as base, and H3BO3 accepts that OH minus, thereby it is called as acid. So this one is the apt one. So on considering this given statement given, it accepts OH minus from water releasing proton. So this one is the correct statement. Thereby boric acid is an acid. Boric acid is an acid because its molecule accepts OH minus from water releasing proton. Is the correct answer. C is the correct answer.